How to find someone on Instagram by phone number. So, finding someone on Instagram by phone number is quite easy and simple. For that, you can open the app and then you need to sign in on your Instagram account. Then proceed towards your profile feed by selecting the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on this profile feed of your accounts, you can select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, under your account at the top, select Account Center. Now, once you reach on this page, under Account Settings, select Your Information and Permissions option. And now, select Upload Contacts option and choose your Instagram account. You need to simply toggle on the button to connect contacts. So, once you toggle on the button, you need to make sure that you allow Instagram to access your contacts. And if the people who are on your contacts are on your Instagram, then on the suggestion you will easily find your accounts, and from there you can easily add those people and find them on Instagram by their phone number. Or else you can also tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and with the help of the search icon you can easily add the number you want to find someone on Instagram. And you can also, from this For You page, you can select any post and you can see anyone that you wish to view on Instagram. Or else you can also select accounts or audio tags, places, reels and many more, and find someone on Instagram by phone number. So in this way we find someone on Instagram by phone number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.